Like that is fueling Wyandotte County Prosecutor Mark Dupree to make change.
Dupree made history when he became the first black DA in Wyandotte County in 2016, and he says that's not the only thing that makes him different from the ones before him.
This is where I grew up, and this is where my house was.
1138 Richmond Avenue, Kansas City, Kansas.
Little 3-bedroom, old house, which had a lot of problems, which is why it's no longer here. Right. My parents pastored a church, but the reality is, on this same block was 2 of the biggest drug dealers in Wyandotte County at the time.
Wyandotte County DA Mark Dupree has been on the job a little more than a year now, and he says some of the same problems still exist from when he was growing up.
At 8 years old,
Children exposed to things they should never see.
I was riding my bicycle right up off of 14th and Wood, and I'm coming down back here to 11th and Richmond, and I look and I see a dead body.
And just a few years later,
folks driving by start shooting. 12 years old, and I'm fleeing from bullets.
Some 30 years later, boarded up house, no house, another boarded up house. Faith in how it works is dead. You got a lot of work ahead of you, it seems.
Absolutely. Absolutely. A lot of work that's ahead of.
To reframe both perception and reality. In the last 5 years, 80% of the homicide victims in KCK have been men, more than half black men, with 34 of them under the age of 25.
It's a reality that I don't like. I was supposed to be one of those numbers. The bullet was supposed to take me out.
Instead, he was taken in by the criminal justice system. No, not like that, but a chance encounter with the judge.
Out of nowhere, I hear someone yell, "All rise." And when they say "all rise," this little short man with this little afro, he walks out and climbs up on the bench with this black robe, and he looked like me.
It showed Dupree there were more options in court than being the defendant.
It's hard to say, I want to help change something when you don't understand something. Well, I understand it.
And that understanding?
That is the very reason, the very essence of why I became the district attorney. We don't want to just continue seeing our kids go to jail. We want to do something different.
And one of the first proactive approaches is what Dupree calls the BOLD initiative with 2 Ds. We'll take a closer look at what it is and why he thinks it'll help fight crime tonight at 10.